Welcome back, Excel enthusiast. Into this tutorial, we are going to delve into the fundamental of navigate the Excel interface. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, mastering the interface is crucial for maximizing your efficiency and productivity. So let's type writing, okay? So here we are in Excel. The interface might seem overwhelming at the first, but fear not. We will break it down step by step. Okay. So at the top, the center screens, we have the ribbon. Okay. So the ribbon is divided into tabs. Each tab like contents containing goods of related commerce. For example, we have the home tab and also the insert and also the page layout and formula data review and the view and also the more. Okay, so here you can easily find it. So it depending on what you are working, so you will find different comments under the step to perform specific tasks. Okay, so sometimes you may find another type, like when you are working with something like the images. If I use stock images, this one, and like I can easily use it for like if I insert something as images one, then insert it, and now it inserting the images into your workspace. Okay, so here now found, and when I using this one, now you can see it's activate with the another tabs with the pictures format. You can work with these pictures or tabs with our. If you want to work with the images, you can easily work with these tabs. Okay. So for now, I want to delete this one. And next to the ribbon, we have the quick access toolbars. Okay. So here, this is customizable toolbar, allows you to add frequently used like comments for essay access and saving your time navigating through the tabs here. I also enable free or few of the quick access like here. This is the shape, this is the handle, radio, or this is the attachment for the email or also the differences. So you can easily click over here and it can be activated as quick access toolbar. Okay. To customize it simply, you can just stop drop down arrows and select more comments over here. That's it. Okay. And you can use like more comments and choose the intensive list and comments available. You can use this one as quick access toolbar. So for example, if you want to use a copy and add it, now you can see edit there here, then agenda. Okay. Now you can see we have also, or you can find there is a copy or this quick access bar. You can easily work over here. And also moving down, we have the formula bar. So this is where you can view and edit content of active cells, includes formula and data. So for example, if I want to use 45 and like if I say the 40, then if I want to work with this one, now you can see we have now this one. Before that, I can easily make it the summit. And what I'm going to do, I want to select this one, then hit on the OK. Now select over here, click over here. Now you can see it comes with the formula bar. You can easily work with this one, like instead of the sum. If you make it average something like this, you can easily add, or you can just easily or like edit this one into the average or into the formula bar. Now you can see it comes with the formula. Okay. And also you can use, or you can also use it to enter data directly into the same. So over here, we have the name boxes. It's display the addresses or name of the selected cell. Like when I select it now, like here one, now you can see we have now the display name, and we add now we are working with the one columns in there. Okay, so you can use this box to quick navigate the different cells in your worksheet by typing in the cells references. Like if I use this one, like the P2 over here, or before that, I can just easily use it here. Now you can see it's come into the here with the P2. Okay, and at the bottom, we have the worksheet tabs. These tabs allows you to switch button different worksheets in your workbook. Like here, this is called the workbook and this is called the worksheet. Now, if I want to use the new worksheet by using with these plus signs, now you can see we have the different worksheets. You can easily switch by clicking in the worksheet. Okay. You can add, delete, or rename worksheet by right-clicking over here and use the rename it. Like if I use this one as the blue or this one, so now we change it. Now, if I want to delete this one, just try to click over here, use the delete. Now it's demand. Or if I use the insert new worksheet by using this one, then hit on the OK. Now we can see the another worksheet in the end. Okay, so finally at the very bottom, so we have the status bar. Okay, so it's provides the information about the characteristic of like the Excel, such as the sum of something like here. I can just easily use it. Like here we have not this one, or I can just easily use it. Now you can see it seems and average and also count over and also count the selected cell, as well as other useful feature like the zoom controls. We can easily work with and we can find the very bottoms in your Excel. Okay, so you can customize a status bar by writing click on it, and just you can easily click over here and you have the customized status bar with the different settings. Okay, so and like you can just selecting the options you want to display into the here. Okay, so now here we have the average account, and now we can see the average. Now if I use the maximum, now you can see we have the maximum over here. Okay, so and there you have it, a comprehensive guided navigating the Excel interfaces. By mastering these fundamental elements, you will on your way to becoming an Excel pro. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.